from the Lakeside newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A little tax relief coming for property owners, and plans for a bond referendum have been finalized. We'll tell you more, recapping last night's Board of Supervisors meeting. It's all in today's Henrico News Minute for Wednesday, February 23rd, 2022, and it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Last night, the Henrico Board of Supervisors finalized plans for a $511 million bond referendum to be held November 8th. The board approved a resolution requesting that the Henrico Circuit Court order the referendum. The ballot will contain 4 separate questions related to proposed projects for the school system, recreation and parks, fire and public safety, and flood prevention and stormwater drainage. Last night, supervisors also finalized a plan to return $10 million in real estate tax revenue to property owners in the county through a one-time tax credit that is equal to 2 cents per $100 of assessed value. Now, any property owners with a credit of $30 or more will receive a check for that amount starting next month. Those with a credit of less than $30 will just have the amount applied to their real estate tax bill. The move was designed to help soften the blow of rapidly rising assessments, some of which have increased by as much as 50% in some parts of the county. The county also is planning to lower the real estate tax by an additional 2 cents per $100 of assessed value when it adopts its budget later this spring. Also last night, supervisors voted to end the local emergency that they had declared last month related to COVID, as cases now are drastically lower than they were just about a month or so ago. Henrico County officials are planning to demolish and rebuild a bridge that carries Lakeside Avenue over the North Run Creek. That's not far from Belmont Golf Course and Lewis Ginner Botanical Gardens. Now, the project is expected to cost a little shy of $6 million. Last night, the Board of Supervisors approved receipt of about $3.5 million from the state to help fund that project, which is expected to begin in earnest next summer, June of 2023, and be completed by June of 2025. Another project being planned in the county is the construction of almost 2,000 feet of sidewalk along the southwest side of Ridge Road between Old Providence Circle and North Ridge Road. It's about a $2 million project. VDOT will reimburse the county just shy of $300,000 for that work. If you're a registered nurse looking for work, HCA Virginia Hospital will be hosting a job fair tomorrow from 5 to 7:30 p.m. at the Boathouse at Sunday Park in Midlothian. There will be on-the-spot job offers for some and as much as a $15,000 signing bonus for some specialties and positions. The Henrico County Advocate for the Aging's office will host its annual Senior and Caregiver Expo on Wednesday, March 9th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Eastern Henrico Recreation Center on North Laburnum Avenue. The event will showcase a variety of services and resources available to older adults in the county. It's designed for those 60 and older and the people who care for them. In attendance will be a number of senior care providers like personal care agencies, adult day centers, government programs, and senior-focused nonprofits, among others. You can register to attend by emailing hoy034@henrico.us or by calling 804-501-5065. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County, which is celebrating Black History Month all month long. Visit the county's YouTube page at youtube.com/Henrico County Government to watch original documentaries and biographies spotlighting Henrico's black community. That's youtube.com/Henrico County Government.